Thank you for viewing this stunning Polo here, Redditch Volkswagen Trust Group UK. This car is covered by Volkswagen's approved used car scheme. This is the Polo R line. It's the sporty version available within the Polo, and the R line is Volkswagen's sporty statement piece, which you'll find across the whole range. This one is finished in energetic orange metallic paint, along with a black roof and matching wing mirrors. You have those gorgeous dark grey anthracite alloy wheels, rear privacy glass, front and rear ultrasonic parking sensors, the R line seats, which are found throughout again the whole range. Black roof lining, auto dimming rear view mirror. You get the touchscreen infotainment unit with the app connect, various media options, digital radio, phone, Bluetooth and more. You've got air conditioning, 2 USB ports. This is the 6-speed manual gearbox, meaning you have the 1 litre TSI 110 brake horsepower, 12-volt socket, multifunctional steering wheel, and that comes with your speed limiter. You have auto lights, wipers, electric folding mirrors and all 4-round electric windows. One of the great features on this car include the front assist safety program, keeping you even safer on the roads and hopefully reducing your insurance premium. To find out more about this great little car, call the sales team at 01527 88 3300, or alternatively please submit your inquiry via online.